Kilala mo si iCLICKMOTO?
I'm going to meet someone. WTF! Tangin na, lalim.
Maximum speed.
Jarby,
Sir?
activate infrared.
Nanovision enabled.
Whoa. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of iCLICKMOTO WAPAK vlog. iCLICKMOTOVLOG. So for tonight, I'm going to meet someone. Tangin na, lalim. Kagaya ng nakita nyo sa thumbnail at sa title at sa description, I'm gonna meet Joseph. My life in Metro Manila. That's quite a mouthful. Gusto ko na rin i-test itong Hero 5 Black sa night ride. Kasi yung nakaraang Tagaytay na ride namin hindi ko siya na-set ng maayos for night ride. So hopefully mas maayos na yung footage natin ngayon. So from Parañaque to Greenhills, what time na ba? Good trip to. 6:01. Tingnan natin kung ano oras tayo makakarating. Knowing iCLICKMOTO.
Maximum speed.
So yun guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi ginawa ko yung lahat na makakaya ko para umabot ako ng maaga-aga dito eh. So as you can see, 6:01 tayo umalis kanina. Ayan, 6:11. 10 minutes from Parañaque to Greenhills. What an adrenaline rush. Grabe yun Kailangan na makaalis ng 6:30 daw eh, kaya pasensya na, nirat-rat ko. So 6:11, 6:12 pwede na. Yeah, let's park here. Yeah. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Medyo nakakahiya tayo eh. Ang tagal nating bumiyahe from Better Living to Greenhills. Nandito na tayo sa Greenhills. Malapit na tayo kay Joseph. Anong oras ba tayo umalis kanina? 6:01. So pwede na mga 10 minutes. Oops. 6:11. Yan. Yan, 10 minutes para nilaki to Greenhills. Okay. So yun guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi Ayun, pag mag-isa ako, mabagal ako mag-drive eh. Safety first. Hindi ako kagaya nila Breezy, nila KP22, nila Papi Moto, nila Benity Vlogs, at ni 01 Moto. So, shinout out ko na yung squad ko. The 01 squad. Medyo familiar na siguro kayo sa squad namin. Yun yung newly... Oh, what the newly formed squad. Composed of 6 riders and motovloggers united into one purpose: to unleash havoc on Earth. On Earth. Oops. There is only one squad on Earth for all you. What up? Some of you might be wondering kung sino yung nag-voice over doon sa Takara ad na ginawa ko. Ako din yun. Siyempre, with the help of technology, Adobe Audition, mamamodify mo yung datingan ng boses mo eh. Pero nagmukhang malaki, diba? Nagmukhang lalaki, diba? Pero in reality, maliit lang yung talagang boses ko. Hindi ako binihayaan ng manly na voice eh. Pero kaya naman palakihin with the use of technology. So ayun nga pala yung sa ano. Ako din yun. So there is, kaya dadayain mo lang ng konti. There is only one shop on Earth for all your tire needs, and it spells Takara. Okay? So ganun siya. Gagayain mo lang yung mga parang Optimus Prime or ewan ko kung kanina pa yung mga ganung boses. Aray ko, Greenhills. Kung ganito tayo mag-drive at nagmo-motovlog tayo, baka alas 9 na sa Greenhills na tayo. Anyway, wala naman akong hinahabol na almost. Wala naman ako hinahabol na oras, kaya okay lang. Chill lang tayo. Matraffic talaga dito sa Doña Soledad eh. Jarby, are you there?
As always, sir.
Naka ng toots? Jarby. So Jarby, how's your 2018?
Unfortunately, it's the same as yours, sir. Boring.
That was the year of your birth, di ba?
What's that supposed to mean, sir?
2018 ka pinanganak.
And your point is?
So kung 2028 eh, nagmo-motovlog pa ako, 10 years old ka na nun.
Whatever.
Sa mga hindi nakakakilala kay Jarby, missing in action siya eh, di ba? So si Jarby nagbakasyon eh. May timeshare si Jarby eh. Jarby,
Sir?
meron ba tayong infrared?
You mean nanovision? Of course we have.
Cool! Yeah, activate infrared.
Nanovision enabled.
Whoa! Whoa! This is cool! Okay. Viewers will not like it, so deactivate please.
Deactivate.
Thank you. And Jarby, anong fastest route natin papuntang Greenhills?
I have run simulations on every possible route. C5 is the least congested one, sir. Then Ortigas.
Okay. Abot ba tayo doon ng 7 o'clock?
Yes, if you let me drive.
Gago. No. No way I'm letting you drive, Jarby.
Estimated time of arrival, 7:20.
I love my life.
So do I, sir. But we need to be there before 7, right? Squeeze that throttle. Pussy.
Kakaliwa pala siya. Hindi ko nakita. Uh-oh.
Sir, we won't fit there. Miscalculation. My bad.
Sports bike?
Am I? You treat me like a meal. Press this. Open sesame.
Kilala mo si iCLICKMOTO? Oh, that's mean. Oh, what's up, man? Yeah.
What's up, man?
We're done. Joseph, my life in Metro Manila. My life in Metro Manila. MLIMM, whatever. So, I guess that's about it for tonight. Today. Kung tonight. So, that concludes our vlog for today. We visited my friend Joseph, my life in Metro Manila. I'll see you guys again next time. Peace, I'm out.